Hello and welcome to Data and Statistics Foundation for Investment Professionals. This course has been created by the CFAI Institute and are designed to build a bridge of understanding for all investment professionals so that you have a deeper understanding of and a heightened ability to discuss the topics of data science and machine learning. As these topics continue to play an increasing role in investment management and creating that elusive alpha, we became aware that there was a need to level the playing field so that non-data scientists, for example, would be able to have an informed dialogue around these topics, either as a team member, team leader, the person responsible for implementing change, or perhaps the person explaining an algorithm-based investment approach to a client. My name is Neil Govia, a director at CFAI Institute and a member of the professional learning team. And I have pleasure in welcoming you to this course. A course that is effectively an introduction into data. Getting it, organizing it, presenting it, and analyzing it. It is a course that provides you with the foundation that is required for you to develop a greater understanding of data science and machine learning. Remembering the foundational nature of this course, let me ask you three questions. 1. You have to decide between two investments. A offers you an expected return of 8%, B offers you an expected return of 6%. Which one will you choose? Question 2. You find that your salary is below the industry average. How sad does this make you? Question 3. You note that a sample of 10 funds with the same investment style outperform their benchmark by 2%. Will you invest in this style of fund? Okay, I've not given you long to ponder the questions, but if you answered A, very, and yes, I'm not saying you are wrong, but I am saying that you may not have Hello and welcome to the first module in the course Data and Statistics Foundation for Investment Professionals. My name is Neil Govia. I'm a director at CFAI Institute and it is my pleasure to be your instructor on this module. The title of this module is Explain Basic Statistical Measures and Their Application to Real-Life Datasets and is made up of 5 lessons. In the first 2, we look at different data types and how they might be organized into tables to aid understanding. In the 3rd, 4th and 5th lessons, we examine measures of central tendency, including the mean, median and mode. Lesson 3 introduces Python. Although formula for calculating statistical measures such as the mean are provided, Hello and welcome to the second module in the course Data and Statistics Foundation for Investment Professionals. My name is Neil Govia. I'm a director at CFAI Institute and it is my pleasure to be your instructor on this module. The title of this module is Calculate and Interpret Measures of Dispersion and Explain Deviations from a Normal Distribution and is made up of 3 lessons. In the first, we look at quantiles, which are ways of splitting up data into smaller parts. In the second, we examine measures of dispersion, including the standard deviation, which, in investment analysis, is the classic way of measuring risk. The third and final lesson in this module examines skew and kurtosis, which impact on the dispersion of data in a distribution. By the end of this module, you'll be able to Calculate quantiles and interpret related visualizations. Calculate and interpret measures of dispersion. Calculate and interpret target downside deviation. Interpret skewness and interpret kurtosis. As usual, please attempt all exercises and end of lesson assessments and ensure you complete the gradable quiz at the end of the module, as this contributes to your successful completion.